The Panorama function. Click the Panorama command above the image node to create a new node, Panorama Generation Node. Activate the node to see the reference image. There are two modes, generation and text generation. The reference image is quoted here. Enter the prompt word in the text box and select the resolution. You can generate without a prompt word. You can also add a new node below the canvas. The default text generation method. You can also add a reference image here. Enter the prompt word in pure text mode and select the resolution. After generation, double-click the image to view full screen. You can also click to enter the panorama mode to view. Hold the left mouse button on the image and drag to view different perspectives. Here are presets for screenshots of different views. If you want to take a selected view into a single image, click the current view command below. It can also automatically capture 4 and 12 views and automatically group and arrange them for you. Come and try it.